on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We're trying out the new camera setup today. So my intro looks a little different today. That's why. We are meeting up for a little after-work cruise with the fam. Tennessee Drivers Club, waiting for everyone to show up, but so far got a few people here. Obviously I brought the Corvette today. Got Jeff's Corvette, and then a couple of new faces here. So hopefully they enjoy hanging out with us. And hopefully they decide to keep coming around. So we shall see. But we're waiting on Matt still, and a couple other people. I think Brian's a maybe. Might get some McLaren action today, or see if he brings his GT3. But we'll see. Either way, it's gonna be a good time. As the Porsche Club comes through. But yeah, so anyway, we're gonna do a little impromptu dragon run followed by some dinner. I'm trying out this new camera, and we're gonna try out the triple suction mount for the 360 cam on the Corvette today. So today's kind of like more of a trial and error day. There's no particular event. Matt just organized an impromptu run. It's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So if Matt's car sounds a little bit different to you guys, that's because it has heads and cam now, full exhaust. It's got headers back into Corsa Extreme. I actually tuned it for him a couple weeks ago. Pretty good results. I won't disclose his horsepower numbers if he doesn't want me to, but they were pretty in line with what we thought it was going to make, and he said it's been driving good. So today's also going to be probably the second stress test. It'll be about the second time he takes it on the Dragon, so it'll be interesting to see how it does. I'm excited to actually see it in action. I haven't seen it really been driven hard since I finished tuning it, but it felt good to me, so I'm excited to see what it does today. We got the trunk mount all situated. I'm super excited to try out this trunk mount. I tried it out the other day and it looked pretty good. I'm pretty excited to see it on the gap and see what kind of footage I can get with the group today. Daryl just rolled in, so we got just about everyone here. We're gonna get ready to roll out soon. Check out the new angles. Hopefully the new camera looks good. Like I said, today's kind of a test run. We'll see how it goes. All right, bro, I'm gonna put you on the spot.
It's my patented handy dandy, I would say, retrieval system for the camera.
Ah, yes.
It's a bikini string that I stole
bikini
my
string?
wife. Yeah, luckily she's well endowed, so I have plenty to work with.
Indeed. I can attest to the fact that the retrieval system does work, because we've unfortunately had to use it previously, and Matt has had a couple cameras fall off this car at different points in time.
I'm stupid. I don't learn very well.
Hey, that's all right. At least you made contingencies,
yeah,
right?
That's right. That's right.
So Matt, I'm gonna put you on the spot. How's the car running? How's it feel?
Oh, it's running really well, like an Olympian, actually.
Like an Olympian.
Yeah, I would say once you made those adjustments to the I don't remember if it was like the fueling when it starts up and it has that initial blip. Mm-hmm. You made that adjustment, and you made a couple other adjustments with the wideband, and now it runs. Honestly, it feels like it's easier than stock to drive now, just because it has so much torque.
That's good.
So yeah, it's freaking awesome. So I'm loving the new power.
We don't just do power pulls when we're tuning cars. We got to make sure that the car drives right and that our customers are happy. I'm glad that Matt chose me to tune his car, and I'm glad that he's happy with it.
Yes, sir.
And it sounds sick, as you guys have already heard when he pulled in. It sounds very good with the Corsa exhaust.
My neighbors hate me.
Neighbors hate you now?
Oh.
I saw you posted the other day that, you fired it up and pissed the neighbors off so you could go lift some 10-pound weights in the gym, right?
Yeah, exactly, bro. Gotta crush it, Gotta look good going. Ooh, look out.
Get these camera rigs set up, and then we're gonna get going. Stop messing around and give you guys a little bit of a scenic drive content.
We do my old-fashioned, my old sync up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That was a pretty successful run, but we lost the red Porsche that was with us. I don't know what happened. Matt is trying to radio him now. Matt's gonna go see if he can pick him up. We live by the no man left behind mantra here, right?
Trying to be the good shepherd, bro.
Trying to be the good shepherd, that's right.
Shepherd.
How'd the car feel? It sounded nasty, dude.
Yeah, it felt pretty nasty. It
Dude.
was scary at points.
Dude, being behind it, it's really, really loud now.
It's a little ridiculous.
No,
isn't
it sounds awesome, dude.
It's a little bit ridiculous.
I think you're right. Like it's the right cadence of pops.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know? It's like not too much, not too little.
Absolutely.
Came out good.
It's not stupid. I'm gonna go drive out there real quick, see if I can load.
Yeah, go find them. For the rest of us, it's time to eat. Well, guys, we got done eating here at Topoco Lodge, and Aaron's battery seems to be dead.
Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Look at that baby battery. I'm gonna go get a real battery.
His little baby battery?
Got a baby battery.
Oh. Well, the baby battery decided that it's not going to start, so we got to give him a little jumpy jump before we get back on the road. My mount on the back of the Corvette in the Dragon actually migrated a little bit, so hopefully that footage looked all right.
That cold startup.
Dude, that chop is so good.
Yeah, it's a little ridiculous.
So for those of you at home who don't know, Corvettes have the battery actually in the trunk of the car, which is why Matt had to back up kind of awkwardly here. See the, we'll have Aaron back on the road in no time. Will it start? It doesn't even want to start. He's got to give it a minute.
God, my car sounds so good.
It really does.
Oh, I'm so happy about it.
All right, round two.
Oh.
Hey, there it is. She's alive. All right, back on our adventure. All right, guys, here for that warm start. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, so we are home. We actually ran out of daylight after dinner. I didn't even realize when we came out of, by the time we came out of dinner, it was almost 8:30 already. It's just so nice here in Eastern Tennessee. The sun doesn't really go down until 9, but as soon as we got back in our car, it just started going down. So we ended up just heading back through the gap, heading home. But this was really fun, impromptu drive. I hope you guys had as much fun on your Wednesday night as I did tonight. I hope the vlog was entertaining. I know it was short, but I wanted to test out some new camera equipment. So hopefully everything looks good and I'll be able to bring you more of these angles in the future. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining. I'll see you guys next time.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.